What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ARBK for Argo blockchain. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update. We've covered it on the channel in the past when it was the IPO date, and what we had laid out on the chart were namely the three important prices plus a Fibonacci retracement from the low of the opening day to the high, right in here. What we noted was that there was some fairly healthy consolidation into the end of the day. Obviously from Friday, since we have not covered it here, we did remain and respect that area, and today things sort of shifted a little bit, fake break, but then recapture of the 38.2. That level, of course, is the 1650. So for me, this is exhibiting some pretty positive developments here in terms of price acceptance higher as opposed to lower and coming back down to retest essentially the lows in there at 1450. So I like that about the stock. What we're watching for in terms of entries to the upside, the conservative entry in my estimation would be a break up and over this, right? So 1767 on some sort of bullish pattern. The more aggressive entry, which I wanted to kind of update you on today, would be this resistance trend line, right? If you draw something in like this, you know, we're kind of testing it now, but you can clearly see, right? Highs, lower highs, lower highs. If we can get price acceptance above it or break it cleanly on a move, maybe you can enter a little bit early here instead of waiting for that 1767. And again, that's from a structural perspective. I'm not telling you what to do with your position, how to manage your money, but from a chart development perspective, right, that would be a break of this short-term little resistance trend line and could be the start of a new uptrend. So from my perspective, aggressive entry kind of here on the break, or conservative entry here up and over 1767 to get us into the highs at 1933, right? So we'll map that out as an upside target. Let's try that with the correct tool, and then we'll wrap up the video here inside of ARBK. So there we go. There is the level. Those are the upside targets. To the downside, if we take out 1646, again, I'm not so interested. Obviously, you're not going to short this, right? Coming over to the trade tab, what you'll notice is that there are no shares to short, obviously no options chain either. So you're not really interested in this if it breaks down underneath 1650. I would wait for some sort of structural bottom to be put into place over here, neckline break of a double bottom, or some sort of inverted head and shoulders, right? You need some sort of structural bottom at the lows before you just sort of try to catch the falling knife, essentially, if this breaks down to the downside. So those are my thoughts in both directions here on ARBK, but it really does look like some healthy price acceptance above that 1650 as it sits right now. So kind of watching and monitoring for a more bullish entry for the long-sided trade into these highs. That's going to wrap up the video for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, definitely let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.